We're trying to figure out if A plus B plus C over D is greater than 2. Look at clue 1. Clue 1 only. A is greater than B. We know nothing about C and D, so that clue does not work. Clue 2 does not work because we do not know anything about A over B. So now what we do is we put both clues together. And let's look at this. A over B, that means the top is bigger than the bottom. So you might have 6 over 5. 6 over 5, top is bigger. I might have 5 over a negative 2, or I might have a negative 2 over negative 5. In each case, the top is bigger than the bottom. Now, D is less than C. D is less than C is the same thing as clue 1. D is less than C. It means the bottom number is smaller. It means C is greater. So if D is less than C, that could be 6 over 5. The bottom is less than the top. It could be 5 over negative 2. Or it could be negative 2 over negative 5. I'm using the same numbers. So I don't know. If I had 6/5 and 6/5, that's going to give me something bigger than 2. But if I had, 5 over negative 2 and a 5 over a negative 2, that's not going to be greater than 2. So I put both of them together and it didn't work. I did individually, they didn't work. So basically nothing works. Your answer is E.